I tell you now a very long and simple story about going to the supermarket, and I keep every word easy, and I keep every sentence clear, and I use commas for small pauses and periods for calm stops, and I do not break the flow, because this story is made for you to relax, to listen, to learn English slowly, and maybe even to fall asleep while your brain still catches the words. The story is about me, a simple person who goes to the supermarket on a normal day. But of course nothing is too normal, because life is always a little funny, especially when food is involved, and cats, and people, and baskets with wheels that do not move in the right way. It starts in the morning, when I open my eyes, and the first thing I think is, oh no, the fridge is empty, the bread is gone, the milk is finished, and the fruit is only a lonely lemon sitting in the corner like a small yellow king who lost his kingdom. And I say to myself, okay, today is supermarket day. And I stand up slowly, and I stretch my arms, and I make a small plan: bread, milk, fruit, maybe a chocolate, maybe 2 chocolates, because 1 chocolate is never enough. And I smile, because shopping is always an adventure. I put on my shoes, I take a small bag, and I walk to the street, and the sun is soft, and the air is fresh, and I feel good, because shopping in the morning is calm, and the supermarket is not too full. At least that is what I hope, because when it is full, the people move like fish in a small pond, and the carts crash, and the lines are long, and the milk is gone, and I do not like that, so I go early. I arrive, and the doors open like magic. They slide to the side, and they say, welcome, come in, give us your money. And I laugh inside, and I take a basket with wheels. But of course 1 wheel is crazy, and it does not turn, and it makes the basket dance to the left. And I say, oh, thank you, my dear wheel. You want to make my shopping interesting? And I push it anyway, and I start. First stop, the bread section, because bread is important. Bread is life. Bread is love. And I see many breads, long breads, round breads, breads with seeds, breads without seeds, breads that look serious, breads that look happy. And I take 1 simple bread, and I put it in my basket. And the basket says thank you. I am not empty anymore. And I say, you are welcome, my dancing basket. Next, I walk to the milk section, and it is cold there. And I feel like I am in a small fridge, and I see bottles of milk, big, small, very big, and also yogurt, and also cheese, and also butter. And I feel like this section is the land of white food, and I think maybe my cat would love this place, because he loves milk, but I do not bring him, because last time he almost stole a fish, and I do not want to be famous on the supermarket camera, so I take my milk, 1 bottle, fresh, simple, and I put it in the basket, and the basket says, oh, heavy, and I say, do not complain, we have more to take. I push the basket to the fruit section, and this is my favorite, because it is colorful. And it smells good, and it looks like a small rainbow fell from the sky and became fruit. And I see apples, red and green, and bananas, yellow like sunshine, and oranges, round like small suns, and grapes, tiny like little jokes, and melons, big like footballs. And I say, wow, this is a fruit party, and I'm invited, and I take some apples, and I take some bananas, and I take 1 melon, and I think, how do I carry this melon? It is so big, and the basket cries, and I say, calm down, basket, you can do it. You are strong. Then I walk to the snack section because I want something sweet, and I see many chocolates and many cookies and many chips, and they all call my name. They say, "Pick me, no pick me. I am sweet, I am salty, I am crunchy, I am soft, and I feel like a king because all the snacks want me." And I laugh, and I choose one chocolate, and then I choose one more because one is not enough. And I say to myself, this is not weakness, this is strategy, because if I eat both, I am strong in sugar. And I can clean the house faster, maybe, maybe not, but it is a nice dream. After that, I remember I need rice, and I go to the rice shelf, and I see many bags, and some are small, and some are big, and some are very big, like 10 kilos, and I think maybe I can carry it, and maybe I cannot, and I take the medium one. And I feel smart, and I put it in the basket, and the basket screams in silence, and I say, "Shh, basket, we are almost done." I walk slowly to the drink section, and I see water bottles, and juices, and tea, and coffee, and I want them all. But I know my arms will cry, so I only take water, because water is life. And I smile because this choice is easy. On the way to the cashier, I pass by the cleaning section, and I remember soap, and I take soap, and I feel responsible, and I say, "Good job, me, you are not only hungry, you are also clean," and I smile. Now the basket is full, and my arms are tired, and I walk to the cashier, and the line is short, and I feel lucky, and the cashier smiles, and I smile back, and I put my things on the belt, and they move slowly like a little train of food, and I pay, and I pack, and I take my bag, and I say goodbye to the supermarket, and the doors open again like magic, and they say goodbye, come back soon, spend more money, and I laugh. I walk home, and the bag is heavy, and my arms are long, and I think maybe I look like a cartoon with very long arms, and I laugh again. And when I arrive, my cat is waiting, and he looks at me like I am a hero, because I bring food, and I put the bag down, and he smells it, and he jumps inside the bag, and he sits there like a king in a castle. And I say, "Oh no, my cat, this is not your house." And he ignores me because cats never listen. And I let him stay for 2 minutes because he looks happy. And then I give him his food and he eats. And I put the bread on the table, and I put the milk in the fridge, and I put the fruit in the bowl. And I feel good because the kitchen is full again. And my heart is also full because small things can make us happy. The day is normal, but it is also funny, and it is also soft, and it is also a lesson because English is here in the simple words: bread, milk, apple, rice, soap, bag, basket, cashier. And when you listen and when you repeat, the words stay in your mind, and they are easy. And they are useful, and they are enough for today. I sit down, I drink water, I eat one piece of chocolate, just one, maybe 2, and I smile, and I say thank you supermarket, thank you basket, thank you cat, thank you English, thank you for this funny normal day.